Alright, so this is our starting spot. Lots of shoes. Not too bad. I just picked those up. I just picked these Capri Suns up right now. My phone was charging, my keys when I came in the door. So not horrible. And then my new water filter that I need to put in my fridge because the red light is on. And then that is my Costco stuff. And then that is the dishes I gotta clean. And I need to wipe my stove top and clean inside my oven. So, let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm going to use this Easy Off Oven Cleaner Fume Free and put it in my oven right now so I can clean it out when I'm done cleaning the kitchen. I know a lot of YouTube content creators get a lot of satisfaction out of cleaning out that sink. I do it before I get started with my dishes and afterwards. Okay, so am I the only one who has a tower of Tupperware to wash constantly? I know that meal prepping is good for me, and I love that I'm knowing what's in my food and that I'm eating healthy, but cleaning all those Tupperware all the time, I don't want to sign up for that. If you are new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. I put out cleaning motivation videos on a weekly basis and also do a live stream clean with me and chit chat on Saturday mornings. So go ahead and click that subscribe button below. How often do you guys clean out your ovens? I'm sure I don't do mine often enough, but I do a pretty good job about not letting it get too dirty, so I don't do this deep clean of it pretty often. And to be really honest, when I put the grates back in, I put them in backwards and I was struggling trying to figure out why they weren't going in. I decided to delete that clip because it made me look really bad, but I wanted to fess up and let you guys know that I did that and I felt such like a numbnut.